Mama's gonna buy you a dog named Blue.